खरकसा youth leader hai keba sukani keri rongno hai keba subasa age wo onek fil khaija tamni bagai nyang tabo kisa asugure to hai keba asug muksa na am kisa sakela
not all that the thing situation jotoni kaisa situation bhayo asuk tongmani ya ang tini asuk tongge ang tino jago clothes distribution khane phaigala komo khanade. First of all, your media is very good question. You asked to me. I am thankful to you because dophani jara samung khanai borong noga asuk tongmaya borong busy yang ti khaima tak hedi phan bor khai tongnai na dopha the lovers ga one of the most I love the dopha tiprasana eleke hamjakgo even the scenario. Have you seen the peoples of Tiprasa? Bus kango sini achievement fight tongo. I believe the Buddha Debbarma is one of the most the iconic and dynamic leaders for the Tiprasa. I don't think without Buddha Debbarma no one come as a leaders. Buddha Debbarma ka ani baginai mutai ni mano and dynamic leaders. I believe him. But still we have to wait December na sing di sini the solution the permanent solution sing nai mane. I think so it will be fulfilled within December.
Lokoro kebang mas sini to ka sini kami ni ekdom koi rumurani sini sarboto ongkoliya kami bagai ko ongkoliya hai ke nugliya social media ro ko pojotin kes ro
social media
kami bagai haina na kam
social media ongkoriya ya social media kebang comments tongo ang ongkor kangke ang mang ongkor kangke muizol lisago am bagai ne ang kisa kom khai tongo ta ni male social media ba jodi ang active tong kangke boi hino nang busuk sia tama sa kok sa ni no ang tu dophana hamjanai bro dopha kare ani Debbarma title tonglak Tiprasa title tonglak but I love the dopha always dophana bagai ang tongo je somoy ane nangman somoy ringpro ang always tongo tamni male boba garabe ang kok choli tongo boba rano sawo nang rest na garde tamni male ni contribution even je jaga jisu kortana fail khair kha a jaga khatong Debbarma MLS nam ka nang high corruption leaders you should be take rest ni chawbo ni family ke time regard ne gang kisa just 2 months tongra kata
nang asuk mane bising te rongno rest na mane bising tam message renam
are yaar
sa rogo sab khai tongnai rok baro bokha basa jagya
yaar ang always tongo ani dara tongo MLA khatung budoni thui tongnam le uma songor tong da uma songor tong MDC budoni kolom dei tongo ang always borong no pore believe tongo borok o area ni borong ni bagi develop bagi samung khanai I hope and even I believe them gang 2 mas ang baira thangmali haida manam le so I was visiting the outside of Tripura that's why I didn't came in the social media and press media isn't it I see it's not didn't seem like a naine watau tamang that's all thank you very much.